Zombie apocalypse.
Haridev, we have studied about composition of air.
Yes, we have.
Do you remember which is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere?
Yes, it's nitrogen.
Do you know how is the composition of air maintained?
Yes, it's through cycles.
These cycles are biogeochemical cycles.
Nitrogen is the main element required for the growth of plants and animals. Let's see how nitrogen present in the atmosphere reaches plants and animals.
Nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is the biogeochemical cycle by which nitrogen is converted into multiple chemical forms as it circulates among atmosphere, terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The conversion of nitrogen can be carried out through both biological and physical processes. Important processes in the nitrogen cycle include fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. The majority of Earth's atmosphere, 78%, is atmospheric nitrogen, making it the largest source of nitrogen. However, atmospheric nitrogen has limited availability for biological use, leading to a scarcity of usable nitrogen in many types of ecosystems.
Nitrogen gas exists in both organic and inorganic forms. Organic nitrogen exists in living organisms and they get passed through the food chain by the consumption of other living organisms. Inorganic forms of nitrogen are found in abundance in the atmosphere. This nitrogen is made available to the plants by symbiotic bacteria which can convert the inert nitrogen into a usable form such as nitrites and nitrates. Nitrogen undergoes various types of transformation to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. Furthermore, this process extends to various biomes, with the marine nitrogen cycle being one of the most complicated biogeochemical cycles.
Atmospheric fixation, a natural phenomenon where the energy of lightning breaks the nitrogen into nitrogen oxides and is then used by plants. Industrial nitrogen fixation. It is a man-made alternative that aids in nitrogen fixation by the use of ammonia. Ammonia is produced by the direct combination of nitrogen and hydrogen and later it is converted into various fertilizers such as urea. Ammonification, process of decomposing complex dead organic matter into ammonia. This is done by microorganisms living in the soil like bacteria and fungi.
Nitrification. It is the biological oxidation of ammonia to nitrate, followed by the oxidation of nitrite to nitrate, occurring through separate organisms supplied with ammonia oxidation to nitrate. Nitrification is an aerobic process formed by small groups of autotrophic bacteria like Nitrobacter and Nitrosomonas. Denitrification. Process of reducing nitrates present in the soil to release N gas, which means nitrogen gas, back to the atmosphere with the help of bacteria Pseudomonas.
In this nitrogen cycle, we can see the integration of various subjects like geography, physics, biology, chemistry, English, mathematics, and more. This cycle teaches us many things. Number 1. Value the microscopic organisms without whom our existence would be very difficult. Number 2. The policy of give and take. Number 3. The balance in the composition of air. The nitrogen cycle helps in maintaining 78% of atmospheric nitrogen. We have heard that there is an imbalance created in the oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle. This is due to large-scale deforestation alongside other human activities. We have to see that the balance of these gases is no longer disturbed, and we can do this by growing more trees and reducing activities which cause harm to the environment. Thank you.